I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I bless you all on this auspicious Dasara Vijayadashami day. All over the world, we celebrated Vijayadashami, celebrating Vijayadashami. Today, Mahadevi Nityanandeshwari is gracing us with Saraswati and Lakshmi serving her. The exact form I had vision at the age of 10 as Nityanandeshwari Mata Lokanayaki, Bhuvaneshwari, Biddi Annalaya is offering 108 Naivedyams to Devi. Let Devi grace all of us on this auspicious day by accepting our prayers and offerings. In our Sangha, we celebrate 4 major festivals. 8th year anniversary of Gurukul. Nityananda Gurukul. Nityananda Gurukul is completing successfully 7 years and entering into 8th year in 2006 on the same Vijayadashami day. The Gurukul's achievement, I can just list the amazing intelligence, clarity the Gurukul kids are expressing. Even doctors are shocked and surprised. They do not know how to measure this now. They don't have a scale to measure the intelligence and the IQ level of our Gurukul kids. 4 doctors whom I put them on this job, they are saying, Swamiji, we will have to develop some new scale. All available scale does not even match with the intelligence of our Gurukul kids. All this IQ, EQ and all, they blow it away. How they learn across multiple dimensions along with studies of international IGCSE syllabus. They learn dance, drama, theatre music, vocal, instruments like keyboard, tawil, nadaswaram, flute, drawing, painting, pottery, magic, department administration, Vedic chanting, temple arts, puja and homa, yoga, Mallakamba yoga, rope yoga, audio visual management, web design, web development, knitting, clay modeling, crochet, magazines, energy beat, comic books, conducting online satsangs as teachers for other children, family counseling, mentoring adults, swimming, TV shows. And I wanted you to know, first ever talk show hosted by kids on the planet Earth is hosted by our Gurukul kids. There is no, please listen. Other TVs, kids campfire. But nowhere kids take question from the viewers. And first ever talk show where kids answer, inspire more kids to join the Gurukul or understand this whole principle and what we are teaching. It is just unimaginable. You all need to know. Just by conducting talk show, the talk show is conducted in Lotus News channel, where the kids are giving counseling to other kids online through Skype, two-way video conferencing. They listen to the troubled kids across the globe and counsel, give them solutions. Not only conducting, also taking phone calls in Enriching Temple. When the kids run a show, the phone calls in the Enriching Temple are attended by the kids and they answer. With this, now we reached out a free Nityananda Balavidyalaya project. You see, please understand, teaching the kids to harness the power of words, power of thinking, power of feeling, and power of living, the 4 principles based syllabus. That's what I call Nityananda Balavidyalaya. This project is offered, this education is offered freely. They have reached out to 32,000 kids. Please understand. Now, 32,000 kids are enrolled. 45 schools, 30 homes, 59 centers in 12 countries our Gurukul kids are teaching. Understand? This syllabus is being followed. Books are released already in 7 languages: English, Tamil, Hindi, Slovak, Traditional Chinese, Simple Chinese, and Spanish. In 7 languages books are available. 32,200 kids. Here I am releasing the books for all of you.
Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame Anandam Anandam Nityanandame Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame 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 Govinda Gopala Keshava Madhava Narayana Rajiva Lochana Adi Sanadana Nityanandam Anandam Anandam Nityanandame Nityanandam Anandam Nityanandame Nityanandame Nityanandame.
Primary school books, textbooks and workbook for the class 1 to 5, English, Science, History, Geography. Please understand, the amount of reach in 7 years is not a joke. It's all done by kids directly. Adults do little help, but the major work is done by kids. And this binding, don't think it's done as a urgent or mistake. It's consciously designed this way. And I am further developing the designing just like palm leaves. Soon the books will be available like a bigger palm leaves. The whole syllabus. The kids will have the exact feel of the traditional Gurukul. I'm also trying to, already working on it, if the printing can be done on palm leaves so that the books are available, made available in the palm leaf form itself for the kids to study, especially the traditional scriptures. And hats off to Nityananda Gurukul. And they also have branches in Ambur, Vadaseri, Krishnagiri, now expanding to Nityananda Nagar, Thiruvannamalai. And our kids have so many extraordinary qualities, amazing health and very low health issues, no violence, no corruption, and the amazing discipline they radiate, and no stick, no beating. I thank Gurukul kids for giving me the fulfillment that I have already started creating my extensions. And I can say only place in the whole world where the science, the education of the outer world and the education of the inner world is made available to them in complete form. I can be very proud about it. The only place where they are getting the training to be a scientist and scientist, both. Happy to have Nityananda Gurukul, where the future leaders of Hinduism is getting created. This is the workshop for incarnations. And I bless the Nityananda Gurukul to flourish and create new generation out of next generation. Today, we are inaugurating Nityananda Vidyalaya in Thiruvannamalai. Formally, through this announcement, I am inaugurating Nityananda Vidyalaya in Thiruvannamalai. And இந்த அறிவிப்பின் மூலம் முறைப்படி நித்யானந்த நகர் திருவண்ணாமலையில் நித்யானந்த வித்யாலயாவை துவக்கி வைக்கின்றேன். இன்று துவங்கும் நித்யானந்த வித்யாலயா என்றென்றும் ஆல்போல் வளர்ந்து அருகுபோல் வேரூன்றி மூங்கில் போல் சுற்றம் சூழ நிலைத்து நின்று உலகமெல்லாம் எண்ணிலாத நித்யானந்தர்களை உருவாக்கட்டும் என்று ஆசீர்வதிக்கின்றேன். நான் மலர்ந்த ஞானகர்ப்பமாம் திருவண்ணாமலை மீண்டும் பூத்து ஆயிரங்கோடி நித்யானந்தர்கள் மலர்ந்திட வாழ்த்துகின்றேன். அருணாச்சலத்து அக்னியே, ஞானகர்ப்ப நெருப்பே, என்றென்றும் என்போலும் தீனரை இன்புறக் காத்து நீ என்னாலும் வாழ்ந்தருள் அருணாச்சலா. என்றென்றும் உன் ஞானகர்ப்பம் நிறைந்து நித்யானந்தர்கள் பொங்கிப் பெருகிக் கொண்டே இருக்கட்டும். இந்த நித்யானந்த வித்யாலயா ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் இன்குபேட்டராக, ஞான கர்ப்பமாக ஞானிகளை, அவதார புருஷர்களை, சித்தர்களை, ரிஷிகளை இந்த நாட்டிற்கு உருவாக்கி கொண்டே இருக்கட்டும். ஞான சம்பந்தரும் சுந்தரரும் அப்பரும் ஆண்டாளும் அவ்வையும் மணிவாசகரும் வந்துதித்த தமிழ்த்தாயே, உன் ஞானகர்ப்பம் என்றென்றும் நிறைந்து ஞானிகளும் ரிஷிகளும் சித்தர்களும் யோகிகளும் பொங்கிப் பெருகிக் கொண்டே இருப்பார்களாக. ஞானிகளை தருவதன் மூலம் தமிழ்த்தாயே என்றென்றும் நீ நிலைத்து வாழ்வாயாக. உன் புகழ் உலகெங்கும் என்றென்றும் நிலைத்து நிற்கட்டும். இந்த விஜயதசமி நன்னாளில் நித்யானந்த வித்யாலயாவை திருவண்ணாமலையில் துவக்கி வைப்பதன் மூலம் உங்கள் அனைவரையும் மனப்பூர்வமாய் வாழ்த்துகின்றேன். Exactly the same ambience, same space. The kids will grow. I'll also make sure the Gurukul also happens in Thiruvannamalai, where they will literally live my same lifestyle. Means no school more than few hours a day. They'll be living in temple, playing in temple, and they'll do yoga in the morning inside the temple. And all the utsavams, celebrations, they'll go and be in the temple, spend time in the temple. I really wanted, I'm already working on getting a property near a temple also, where the kids will just wake up listening the temple bell and go to bed listening to the songs in the temple in the night. They will live in the same ambience, the breathing space of Arunachala. And next, I'm blessing San Jose. San Jose celebrated Vijayadasami and offering 29 Nevedyams to Devi. Let Devi Meenakshi grace San Jose and the whole world of accepting the Nevedyams. And blessings for N Vidyalaya kids in San Jose. Blessings. They did Rudrabhishekam today. Blessings. Today actually I wanted to speak, to give a detailed introduction about Inner Awakening Level 4. Of course, this celebration itself has taken a lot of time. Still it is not yet over. Still I have so many more things to announce the whole celebration. Houston, blessings for Adarsh. Blessings, birthday blessings. And today we have a lot of Vijayadasami celebrations. The Devi Darpan Visarjan morning 10:20, and then Nityotsava Dvajarohanam. Evening 5:50 we will have Visarjanam, where the Devi's Murti, not Devi herself, Devi's Murti will be immersed in the water body, and Devi returns to our heart, her permanent residing place. After accepting all the celebrations, so we will be having all that festival. We will be having sannyas initiation on my birthday. Today we have Maheshwara Puja in Biddi. As per the tradition of Mahanirvani Akkada, today the Gurubais give pranami to each other. Whatever pranami they receive whole year in Bandara's festival, they share with other Gurubais. So this festival is celebrated, today is celebrated in the Mahanirvani Akkada as the brotherliness celebration, where the sannyasis and sannyasinis express their love and respect for being a sangha, for standing up with each other. This is considered to be a day of Gurubai relationship, means brother-disciple, sister-disciples relationship. So as a celebration of, as a part of that celebration, we will be today having the Maheshwara Puja, where they take care of the elderly sadhus. They offer the money, gifts to the junior sadhus, and they give that feeling that we are together and we will stand with each other. In our journey towards enlightenment. I can say this is like a day, Sangha day for the Mahanirvani Akkada. So we will be celebrating as part of that tradition. Today is also a day the sannyasis celebrate anything brother disciple asks, anything they own is given. If you own something and your brother disciples ask, no, no, only yes, yes. And I have a small video presentation about Bali. You will see it, then I'll share few words about the Inner Awakening Level 4. As it is, even if I have enough time, introducing Inner Awakening is a big job. Now in few minutes I have to introduce Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening Level 4 is literally, please listen, literally taking you to the next level of consciousness. As I said yesterday, helping you to raise your inner image, outer image, others' image, and life's image to the peak possibility by giving you the methods and technology, techniques to harness the power of words, power of thinking, power of feeling, and power of living with 23 major initiations and above all, last but not least, completion with your parasite patterns, the subject which I have never touched still now. Completion with your parasite patterns, the subject which was untouched. Wealth, power, and love. These three is everything about life. I can say everything in your life can be reduced to these three words: wealth, power, and love. You will experientially move towards that space of wealth, creation and celebration, power, expression and celebration, love, living and celebrating. One you have to create, another one you have to express, third one you have to live. You will experience experientially wealth, power, and love. I invite all the devotees, disciples, followers, visitors, viewers to be part of this great inner awakening yatra. The inner awakening yatra, December 2013. It is 23 days yatra because we will be taking few days in between for traveling. Actually, you may have 21 initiations, not 23 exactly, because few days we will be traveling to different places, different temples, having different rituals, celebrations, completion sessions. Don't miss it. Or I can say positively, be part of it. Maybe I have to take few more days to continue to introduce the inner awakening level 4. Somebody told me yesterday, Swamiji, whenever we think you cannot take us further, deeper in spirituality, this is the peak or this is the depth, suddenly you open a new door. How is it? Come on. Actually, that is the way the spirituality itself. Spirituality itself. Because the moment you feel you reached the peak, suddenly the new door opens, you move to the next level. So please understand, even if you are on the peak of the Everest, now don't miss the chance of getting into the flight. IA level 3 is like peak of the Everest. Level 4 is getting into the flight. Don't miss this experience. Be part of it. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.